verkligen säga.
Bedårande vackert är det.
Ja, det är det.
The hike up to Briksdalsbreen glacier arm is very popular. The melted water from the glacier is rushing down the mountain. Raincoats are recommended. The visitors coming from the cruise ships often take the so-called troll cars to the glacier lake. The hike is about 3 kilometers. This beautiful day was perfect for a visit to Loen Skylift, one of the steepest cable cars in the world. It takes you from the fjord to 1,000 meters in only 5 minutes. Here there are activities for the adventurous, like paragliding, windsuit base jumping, hiking trails, zip line and via ferrata. The restaurant has the most stunning panoramic views found anywhere. Today is the day where we're going to hike up to Brenndalsbreen, a glacier, another glacier. So this time we'll go up 500 meters up in the air. So we'll see how that goes. We'll jump.
Hello.
Hello.
What a beautiful day.
Yes.
Vilken dag, vilken glädje, vilken kul.
Hej.
It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll.
After a hot hike, it's time for an icy swim in the glacier lake. You did it! Is it cold?
10-12 degrees maybe.
That was the last one.
Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Come on. just do it. Bo diddly. Just do it. Come on. Woo. There you go.
Jesus!
Oj, bra! Härligt! Det var nice!
Det är kallt!
Det är gött, det är kallt!
Men det är uppfriskande!
Ja, precis! Ja! Ja! Bra Tommy! Är du med?
Ja, jag är med.
Ja, det domnar lite när man har varit
like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you.
So we are now at the Trollstigen road, and we're standing in front of Stigfossen, 180 meters free fall. So we're going up there in a moment and we'll continue from there.
A castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for you. An infatuated light.
So we are now at the Trollstigen road. It's a road that started its construction in 1928 and was completed in 1936. It's 11 hairpin turns in total, and the height difference is about 700 meters. Each of these hairpin turns has their names from the foreman that led the work, except for one curve that has its name from Nicka Grunning, who was feeding the men at work here. So she's the only woman who has named one of these curves.
Trollstigen is situated on the National Tourist Road 63, which connects Åndalsnes in Romsdalen with picturesque Geiranger. Just above the Trollstigen tourist center with cafes and souvenir shops, there is a beautiful hiking area, well worth your time as well.